¿Qué tal? Bienvenidos. Welcome to Learn Spanish World. I'm Mr. Briggs, a qualified registered Spanish teacher who uploads videos every week. Today's video is entitled How to Say How Far Is It? Or How Far in Spanish. So if you ever wonder how can I ask someone how far something is, this is the video for you. But guess what? We are almost 50,000 subscribers. Can you believe that? We are halfway to 100,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, you'll make it possible for me to continue producing and creating more videos for you. Thank you so much for your support and help, my dear amigos. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's begin. This question is extremely important. How would you ask somebody how far is the airport? If you want to ask how far, you would say, ¿Cuán lejos? ¿Cuán lejos? ¿Cuán lejos? Repeat after me. ¿Cuán lejos? Let's see some practical examples. If you wanted to ask, how far is it? You would ask, ¿Cuán lejos está? ¿Cuán lejos está? ¿Cuán lejos está? Muy bien. Let's learn a few more examples that will help you to use this question. How far is the airport? ¿Cuán lejos está el aeropuerto? ¿Cuán lejos está el aeropuerto? That's a tricky one, but practice makes perfect. Listen to it again and again and again. How far is the city center? ¿Cuán lejos está el centro? ¿Cuán lejos está el centro? El centro refers to the city center or the CBD, the center of the city. Another question. How far are the shops? ¿Cuán lejos están, plural, las tiendas? ¿Cuán lejos están las tiendas? Las tiendas means the shops. Next one. How far is the ocean? You can say, ¿Cuán lejos está el mar? El mar means the sea, but you can also ask, ¿Cuán lejos está el océano? Personally, I find people using el mar more frequently. This is why I've chosen this word instead. Siguiente. How far is your home? ¿Cuán lejos está tu casa? ¿Cuán lejos está means how far is. We're talking about location, so we use estar. ¿Cuán lejos está tu casa? Muy bien, excelente. Thank you so much for watching my video, my friends. And by the way, have you already played the Spanish quiz that I uploaded? Check my previous video. There's a Spanish game that you may enjoy and help you some of the key vocabulary you've learned this year. Thank you very much. My name is Mr. Briggs, and I hope to see you very soon, my friends. Take care. Adios.